Good afternoon and welcome to a very special session of our Greystone Investment Brownback sessions. I am Rafi, Chief Operating Officer of Greystone Investment Group.
I am Jorge, CEO of Greystone Investment Group.
And we have our guest today, David Hurwitz from the Law Office. Law Offices?
Office.
Law Office.
There are multiple offices, but it's law office.
Yeah, Law Office. It's growing, so it may be offices soon. But for now, it's office. David Hurwitz. And today we have a great theme. We have stumbled into this one. We have received people asking about it. And we thought of doing it ourselves, but we have the expert here. Why start messing up with legal advice? Never mess up with legal advice. If you're not a lawyer, don't do it. Now, where can they find us, Jorge?
Rafi, they could always find us at homesforincome.com. That is homes the number 4.
Wait. He didn't do it. Let's do it again. Jorge,
Let's do it again.
where can they find us?
They could always find us, Rafi and David, at homes the number 4 income.com.
There you go. That's where
You
you
know,
can
it's
find us.
official because our lawyer is agreeing with it.
There you
So,
go. And by the way, David, where can they find you? What is the website of the law office of David Hurwitz?
It's my name, www.davidhurwitz.com.
Okay. And of course, we always have the beautiful Stephanie in the background. Hi, Stephanie.
Hello guys.
Hey, Stephanie, why don't you add the link to David's website over there in the comments? That way, you guys also can benefit. Today, we're going to discuss the top 3, not 4. You know what? We should have done 4 reasons,
Keep the trend.
but that's okay. We'll do 3 today. The top 3 reasons why you should have a real estate lawyer in your team. You know that we talk about making sure that when you're investing in real estate, you have that team of property manager. I'm passionate about it. Property managers, acquisition, accountant, lawyer. You have to have a lawyer as part of your team, right?
Yes, it's one of those things that you say, but what do I need it for? And that's exactly the point. You don't know what you're going to need them for, and those are the things, the unknown is where you want to have a lawyer next to you. And I'm blessed to be able to call David a friend. David, I consider David one of my best friends. He's been by my side for years. Rafi, I think we've known each other for 5 years.
2011, maybe.
2011. And I definitely encourage everybody that's investing. If you're putting hundreds of thousands of dollars in investing, you need to have a lawyer on your side.
Absolutely. We're going to talk about, again, the reasons why it's very important that you have it. Before we continue, we're going to shout out to, Matt. I see Matt Nagy from Greystone Acquisitions. I also see Jason Fix from Greystone Real Estate. Chris Lopez from my old days at City. Saludos. So again, make sure that if you're joined, just put in the comments where you're from. If you're in Tampa, if you're in Canada, New York. Last time we had people from New York and Michigan. I see Jennifer Reeder there somewhere. One of our great VIP clients. So please make sure that you just make a comment and ask questions. We have some questions that we are going to send David his way, but make sure that you ask questions throughout the session. Before we continue, very important because we are all here because of this. I want to wish all the fathers out there a very happy Father's Day here in the U.S. You know that different countries have different Father's Day, Mother's Day, something like that. So here in the U.S., happy Father's Day to all of you guys, especially to my dad, Papi, te quiero mucho, bendición. They knew that, yeah. First Father's Day right here. So congratulations. Yeah, first Father's Day. There you go. First time. Next year is the underwear year. It changes every year. So happy Father's Day to all of you out there. And again, I also Lily Rivera Espinosa, a great friend of back in my Nashimba days. She has an acre in Valrico, zone something. We'll get to your question, Lily. We will get to your question. So let's go again. 3 main reasons why you need a lawyer in your real estate team. So, David, what would be the number 1 reason that you say, you know what, you need to have a lawyer as part of your real estate team.
Well, if you're talking about investors
Absolutely.
that are investing, you need to make sure that you create an LLC so you release or defer personal liability. number one thing, you gotta have that. 'Cause if something happens in your property that you rent out and you get sued, you don't want any personal liability. You don't want them coming after any of your other assets.
Absolutely, and I think if you ask me, that's probably the biggest mistake I've seen people